everyone, welcome back to my channel, guys. So today, guys, sorry for my nails, I didn't fix it yet, but anyway, it's very hot today in UK, so I have my fan with me, so I hope it's not bothering my video. So anyway, I told you last time that there's many sale in Zara, so I purchased this online. And if you're going to get in Zara, collect it in Zara store, you don't need to pay for delivery. But if you're going to get it or to be delivered in your home, you need to pay for delivery. So normally I choose to get it, collect it in Zara. So anyway, we have another Zara haul next week because I ordered another one and maybe another one because they have many sale, guys. They have like £7, £8, £10, £15. There's many. So it's very heavy, actually. So I forgot what I purchased, so I'm excited. And actually this is many, so I hope I like everything because I don't want to return things, but yeah, let's hope. So but next week I'm very happy because I purchased some trouser. I like actually Zara trouser, so hopefully. So first item, oh, this one, this dress. Actually this dress, as what I can remember, is just like £8, but this is actually £30, but I feel like £8 or £9. But if you're interested, guys, just go to Zara website. So it's like that. I don't know, maybe a little bit small to me, or so fit. To be honest, before I'm okay with the clothes or dress that is so fit to me, but right now I like this, like comfy. I'm more into comfy now. I don't like it when it's like so much fit to me. But yeah, this is £30 original price. So this is the like that, maybe a little fit to me. Yeah, so let's see. It's quite okay. The length is okay. I'm 5 feet, so the length is okay. I just hope it's not so much fit. This is, by the way, size small. Looks cute. So yeah, I will try it later and I will tell you. Next is another dress because this one is how much is it? £7 or £10, around that. Yeah, so this is actually £23. Cannot see it, it's a bit, but it's £23. So this is, I'm not so sure about this. I don't like the color. The color is gray, but I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm not sure. But the length, oh, it's pretty good also. The length is for 5 feet. Yeah, so okay, I will try it also later. Of course I try it all. So yeah, just the color I don't like that much, but it's not so fit. So yeah, let's see. Next is another dress because it's sale. I like sale, guys. So this one, oh, I forgot the price, but most probably just around that. Also, this is £30, just size small. All of these are size small. So it's like this. And then look at that. This is like design only, or you can open. Oh, you can open, really? I didn't expect that. I have actually nice dresses from Zara, but I cannot wear it this time because I gained weight. But oh, okay, you can open it, guys. That will be interesting dress. Look, so if you open it, it will be like that. Okay, interesting. Yeah, so this one is cool. I hope when I wear it, it's nice and it's not so, oh, okay. Look, it's good, looks good. The color is, what's this color, like, oh my god, black bronze, or not bronze, yeah, bronze. Yeah, okay, let me check it. And oh, this one, okay, this is just a skirt, just a skirt. Okay, size small from Morocco, and this is at the back. It's like cotton, looks comfy. I wish I bought the set Looks nice, looks comfy, guys. I'm excited to wear this. And next is tube. Oh, okay, I purchased this one. How much is this? 18 pound. This one, but it sells, so maybe okay. This is 26 pound, but I think I purchased this 10 pound or 11 pound, like that, guys. And this one is 18 pound. Maybe I purchased it 6 pound. Yeah, tube. Let's see how is it. Looks nice. Yeah, made in Turkey. This is like at the back. It's just like that. Of course, I will iron. To be honest, I like clothes that I don't need to iron. Actually, I have clothes in Zara, many clothes in Zara that I don't need to iron. That's why I love it. But when the clothes I need to iron, I don't like it. Oh, this is interesting, guys. Sequence, just like 9 pound, 10 pound. But original price is 36 pound. Look at this is, it's like okay, what is it like that? Okay, so like this, and then it's good for party. Yeah, so it's like you can wear anything in the down. I don't know if it's okay, so this is the design of this. You like that, and then it's like in the side, which is like this. Until now they have many of this, and then until the down, it's like you can wear maybe leggings, or I don't know. Oh, yeah. Looks I'm not sure, but I think it's good. Yeah, 36 pound. Next is this, how you call it, bodysuit. Yeah, I don't know the names. I'm really bad, sorry, guys. Oh my god, it's 6 pound. Yeah, it's even here, 6 pound, small and made in Turkey. Yeah, just 6 pound. Look at that. Let me see. Yeah, I'm not sure if it's I think it's very open. You know what, last time I purchased like so much open. Yeah, to be honest, before when I'm younger, I don't mind my boobs will be visible so much, or it's like so open. But now when I'm getting older, I feel like I don't want, or sometimes I don't care, but most of the time now I care. So I don't know, maybe, I don't know, guys, maybe I think, or it's so open. I think it will be so open, but this is 6 pound only. Yeah, should I keep it? Depends really later on if my boobs will really show. Okay, and next is this, another one. This is 23 pound bodysuit. Yeah, that is what you call it. I'm just not sure. A bit tight. Yeah, a bit tight because it's like rubbery feeling. Oh, I think I cannot wear. I'm not sure. But maybe this is good also because it will squeeze your fats. I mean, like, doesn't look like, yeah. I don't know how to explain. I'm sorry. But yeah, maybe this one will be good also because it can make you look smaller. So yeah, let's see. I hope for the best. And this is the trouser. So this one is 26 pound, but I guess I purchased it 11 pound or 15 or maybe 11 only. I think 11 only. Yeah, maybe, but I don't have any clothes much to this. To be honest, I try to avoid anything so skinny now. Like, look, like right now I prefer like this, like there's the space for me. I don't know, it's like my I prefer different now compared to before. This one looks comfy, so hopefully. And how much is it? 26 pound. Yeah. And then another one, oh, it's like the same in Primark. I saw like this in Primark. £26 also. Like this. Another one, comfy. This is color like gray black, you know. So I just don't know how to match these things. I don't know what to wear with them, but it looks really comfy. I'm into more on comfort now, to be honest. £26. Next is, oh, why I purchased this? I don't know why I purchased this. Doesn't look comfy. So this one is £26. I really don't know. I don't know what to say because it doesn't look comfy. Maybe, I don't know. Doesn't look. This is not what I type. Especially look like this, guys, like white. I don't want to time clean my trouser. I don't like it. I like something like doesn't wrinkle that much, and then I like clothes that I know I don't need to take care that much, you know, because I don't like to take care, guys. Like all my clothes is like I want to be carefree like that. Okay, this is for my son. It's for 11 years old. My son is 6 and I bought 11 years old. Oh, so much advance because I have advanced clothes for him already, so I just purchased it in advance, but it's so much advance, so I need to store it somewhere, or maybe I give it to someone. I don't know why I purchased it. Okay, this is 6 to 7 at least. Okay, it's quite big, yeah, for 6 years old. 6 to 7, yeah, but it's sell, so I forgot the prices, but that's why I purchased it in advance. And this one is for 8 years old. This is $18.99, so £19. Just basic white. This is like linen, cotton linen, just basic. So that's it, guys. It's all MTR bags. I will try everything, and I hope everything is good to me, you know. I will have another haul. It's just there. I'll just separate it because it will be so long. It would be Primark, Home Bargains, B&M, New Look, because I purchased some top in New Look, and Tiki Maxx. I think that's it. Poundland, maybe Poundland also. So anyway, guys, I'll show you. Watch out for the other video. Okay, bye, guys. See you.